sunny, and we're in the backyard, and don't know what the temperature is. It was 21 yesterday, really nice. So today I'm just seeing out these markers because I got them day before, I think, can't remember when, in B&M and 4 we had to get soil for some plants because we needed to top up some plants because, you know, they dirt and shit. But anyway, so these are just cute little markers. These ones are just like supposed to be shiny. Can you see them? I don't know because I can't see a thing because the sun is in my face. And then these are supposed to be like twin markers. I think oh wait, that's the shiny one. These are the twin markers. So they're supposed to be like knockoff Chameleon markers, I think. Not really sure. We'll give them a try. And if you can't see anything in this video, because I can't see anything in this video either, because there's a sun in my face and my sunglasses are on, so I'm kind of like, you know, squinting. Oh, I can kind of see you, can kind of see me. But so yeah, so I guess you know what? We'll try the shiny one first, and then once they work, we need to put a weight on this paper because it's not windy, but it's windy enough that things will fly away. So I just grabbed. They had a couple. I think they had another colors of these. I can't remember the colors. They weren't. They're like what? These were like $2.50. So so these ones are $2.50, and then the other ones were $2.50 too. And they had pencils. It's like our supply. So let's try. One end is supposed to be a brush tip, and one end is supposed to be a shiny thing. So we go. This is the shiny end. This one here. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. But hey, like I said, if I can't see it, you can't see it. So this is supposed to be shiny, and it's a shiny gray. It's very nice. Yes, so it's shiny gray. And then I don't know if they're all shiny all the gray, but then you have this brush, which is it's I don't know if it's water. I think it's water. Yeah, it's water based. I should have got some water out. But then you can, you know, go like that. So that's the pink one. It's a nice brush tip actually. It's, you know, it's not too soft. It's not too hard. It actually works quite well. I actually quite like that brush tip. And then let's try this other shiny thing. The shiny thing might just be silver actually. Oh no, wait. This is like a. You probably can't see that, but it's like a. I don't know if that's in focus. Probably not. It's like a purplish. Purplish silver. It's like a dark silver kind of thing. It's kind of nice. And then we have a dark, like, fluorescent pink kind of thing. I actually quite like the color. My hair used to be that color. I miss my hair that color. It needs to be that color again. I need to cut it, actually. Yes, I'm rambling. Way back to the metallic on this orange one. And it has like an orange sheen to it, that one. Yeah, it does have like an orange sheen to it. Not when it dries so much, kind of. Like the outlet, it's like a... mostly silver, but it's kind of got a... You probably got shut on my hair there. Get off! Like a bit of a orange kind of thing to it. Well, a nice orange too. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll figure something out. What color we got left? We got these shades, like brownish oranges. So back to, this is the brush tip, and lighter orange, nice. This is just basic cardstock, like Bristol border cardstock, I think. Can't remember this. This is random basic stuff you get, like, not quite at the dollar store or whatever like that, but cheaper stuff. And that one's actually darker. You think it would be lighter, but no, it's darker than the other ones. Quite like that one. So then we have a red, and go with the, oh come on, this one, nice red. What if it's a blend? Kind of. I'm not sure, like, I think they're water based. Where's the thing? Yeah, so aqua brush tip, so probably water, yeah, water based brush tip. And these are, you think they'd be acrylic, but I don't know. Probably water based too. Who knows? We'll find out. So we did the shiny end, and we did this end. So let's do the shiny end. And the same thing, it's got like a red kind of tint to it. Well, that's nice. It's like a red in the, like the edges, and then silver in the middle kind of thing. Oh my god, left this pink one? Maybe. Let's find out. Did I do this one? Don't think so. No, I didn't do that one. Nice bright pink color. And the shiny bar. Yeah, it's got a very slight pink to it. You might be able to see it. But I'll photo this part, or scan it or something like that, and I'll put a image of it here. And that's what that'll be. So we'll do, what do we want to do first? Want to do these gray-greenish colors? Yeah, we'll do like the earth tones first. And the neighbors are gonna think I'm even more, you know, weird than I was before. I'm talking to myself. So how are I supposed to do with these? Step 1, touch 5 to 10 seconds with white or color. Okay. Step 2, draw. Simple. Simples. I'll put another photo of that here. Simples. You probably won't get that if you're not from the UK. Yeah, running out of space. So you know, we will put, let's try pick apart. So it says you can do mix. Can you see? I wonder if you can see that. I can't see. So like I said, I can't see what you're seeing. Yeah, you can see. We'll move this over here, and then this is like a light green. That's nice. And then apparently you can mix it with the white, right? So, and it'll do like a gradient effect, will it? So let's find out. Touch them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, that didn't work. Okay, let's try a different color. Let's try... we'll go with this brown, because it's different from the gray. And we put it here, nice brown. And so we go... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, just for luck. No, not that one. Well, that one did it. Okay, so it does work. You just gotta hold them. It's like the Chameleon. I don't even get like cartridges or something for the Chameleon ones, but they're also very expensive and very niche of a product. Yeah, it does work. You just gotta figure out how to hold them. Okay, so it does work. Great. So I gotta think of something to do with these. Not really sure what to do with them. I'll think of something. My luck, it'll probably be a dragon. My luck. So, you know what? So these are brown colors, and they're basic colors. So we'll try these pinkish colors. Warm colors, whatever you want to call them. Come on, get out of the freaking things. Come on. There you go. And it's almost Easter. I'm not sure exactly when Easter is, but, you know, it is almost Easter. And hopefully you can see this, because, you know, ooh, nice purple. Okay, so we got a nice purple. Nice pink. And it's like a purple pink, I don't know, let's find out. Oh, it's like a neon kind of pink, that's nice. And then, what do we got left? This right here. Nice red. And a pink. Nice bright pink. What do we got? No, these are like just like basic colors, you know, so it does work, like the blending effect. But like I've noticed, well, I don't have any Chameleon pens because they're expensive. And wouldn't mind trying some, but I don't know what I'd use them for personally, so that's why I don't have one. Have some, that, and like I said, they're expensive. And I have a lot of markers as it is, I don't need any more. So let's go over here. Nice bright, very bright pink, which is good. And orange. Neon kind of like orange. That's the white, so the blue. Oh, nice blue. Yes, they're squeaky. It's probably because I haven't had them right. I should probably put them like this, you know. I'll do that. Nice green. Yeah, a lot of markers throw them like this. Some of them like this. This depends. And what do we got? What do I got left? A yellow? So yellow. Bright yellow. That's a bright yellow. So let's try the yellow. What if you can, probably can mix them actually. So let's go with the yellow and we go with the pink. Oh, and I'm going to lose the pen caps, which is not great. Let's try this. And then, if we can... Ah, damn it. I'm going to drop everything. Like I said, this might be a video that's just like me like making a fool of myself because... Or you can't see a thing, because I don't even know if you can see this. Probably not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, missed. No, get on there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll go here. Yeah, it works. Yeah, cool. Okay. So you just gotta figure out placements. That's the main thing. So it will work. It's just you gotta make sure. And my hands are not steady, so this is not gonna work very well. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's try that one. No, it's because I didn't have that on the right spot. This one should work. Yeah. So it's gonna hold them in the right spot. So that'll work. So I'm gonna walk and figure out something to draw with these color with these markers. Will it be a dragon? Yeah, maybe. Not really sure. Maybe it's some other mystical creature or something. I don't know. Or it'll just be me making some kind of pop art. Maybe that's what I'll do. Make some kind of pop art with them because there's no more bright colors. So that's probably what I'll do. So this is a video that maybe will make sense. Like, look, be in focus. I don't know if this is in focus. I forgot to check that, so it might be all out of focus. That'd be great. And so yeah, so I'll be back. And yeah, I was meant to have a video up on Tuesday, but it was nice out, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get some sun instead of, you know, yeah, I can set up, but this is on a workbench at the moment because our table's not here. So yeah, I'm going to go off, and you just got another hot foot on my head there. Yay! Let's put the caps back on these so they don't get covered in mud or dirt. And let's fix this because it's got a bit of pink still left on it. So yeah, it does work. It's just holding it a certain way, which I can get, you know, I can do. And for $2.50, if you got some kids that have nothing to do, hey, give them some markers. You know, draw and stuff. There's actually a website on the back that I'm gonna check out, or on the front. There's Deco Time Crafts. We've got Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. They have a YouTube channel. Maybe I'll check that out. Oh, actually I will. I will go check that out and see what they're doing. And oh yeah, bird. A bird would look cool. Yeah, maybe I'll draw a bird, like a macaw or something. Yeah, or a dragon macaw. I don't know. Oh yeah, macaw would look cool. Maybe I'll draw something like a bird, like I said. But anyway, so I am done rambling, testing out markers, and talking to myself. No, not really. So what you're supposed to say? Yeah, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, all that crap. It doesn't make any damn of a difference. And I'll be back, I don't know, because, like I said, not a YouTuber, I'm an artist. I make videos whenever the hell I've got time or when I've got something to talk about. Okay, bye.